Jesus. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Almighty and living God, we thank you for the gift.
Hi, Chief Aloysius Ikegwuonu. We don't have time to check time. The hour has come for you to. Your Excellency, the Chief of Staff to the Working Governor, permit me.
Hello guys, welcome to Ozubulu, Anambra State. So today we are in Ozubulu, Anambra State for the grand opening of Stonehills Hotels located in Amakwa, Ozubulu, Anambra State, and also for the birthday celebration of Chief Aloysius Ikegwuonu, the Bishop of Ozubulu himself, who is also the owner of this hotel. So it is a double celebration on this day. Bishop of Ozubulu has built this amazing hotel, and on this day he has called on Anambra people to come and witness the grand opening and also his birthday celebration. It is an amazing day. It's a great day in Ozubulu. So I'm going to take you guys around the hotel to see the hotel, after which I will now take you to the arena where the celebration and grand opening event is happening, because this hotel is massive and they mapped out one of the areas that is now regulated where things will be happening, where the official celebration, receiving of guests and everything is happening. For now, let me take you guys around the hotel. You can see people are turned up, people have turned up in their numbers waiting for the event to start. This is the pool area of the hotel. You can see how massive, how beautiful it looks. So this is the pool area. They also have a stage, a kind of stage. So it means that a pool party, an event, entertainment event can happen in this pool side. You can see the swimming pool, how big it is, big and deep, almost an Olympic-sized swimming pool. So it's an amazing hotel, an amazing hotel. This hotel will contribute a lot in reviving and boosting hospitality in Anambra State for sure. It's gonna contribute a whole lot. So when you want to come down to Anambra State, you don't have to be asking, where should I lodge? Where should I stay within the time I will spend in Anambra State? We now have Stonehills Hotel. So you can see the amazing hotel. You can see the amazing view. This is a great hotel indeed. Bishop of Ozubulu has done a great job here. And this one now is the reception area. This is the reception of the hotel. Everything is intact, top notch. If this is not luxury, then I don't know what else is luxury. So here is the part of the hotel where the whole celebration is happening. You can see the MC welcoming and introducing personalities as they walk into the arena. You can see so many media houses are here to cover this event.
God bless you. All right, MC Otaba, one day a big honor. I go check in a falaka. You don't have respect. All right, MC Otaba, you are highly welcome. Walking one day. Aha, MC Omalecha. Offers in one walker MC Sky Limit. I'm not a I am wearing a phone with somebody. I am not standing at that.
I
So that's Vintage Live Band all the way from Lagos. They came for this event, for this great event, and they have been entertaining people for so many hours now, and they are not yet tired. People are having fun, people are happy. So it's a great day indeed. It's a great day. Keep in touch, keep watching. So many events happened on this day. So many events happened. Just keep watching. This is Vintage Live Band.
Not everything, but he will go in a
and this is Professor Ikegwuonu, the King of High Life 2022. Professor Ikegwuonu won the King of High Life Fest, and became the King of High Life in the year 2022, and he went ahead to release this popular track called Peremense, and that's the track he's performing on the stage right now. So it's a great day. So many performances, people are being entertained, people are having fun here.
He go save you from poverty. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the arrival of the creator of
Your Excellency, the Chief of Staff to the Working Governor, permit me to welcome the Honorable Member representing Nnewi North and South and Ekusigo Federal Constituency in the person of Right Honorable Chief St. Peter Ezimozokwe, Aswaji Bodo, staunch member of Ebechmuzo, Friends of Ebechmuzo. You are highly welcome, Your Excellency. At the same time, the hour has come for His Excellency to humbly give us his goodwill message from Mr. Governor. Please, all the ushers, leave that walkway now. Please leave the walkway. I'm begging you girls, please do that.
So this is another entertainment group. They went on stage singing, dancing. Their energy was too much. People were enjoying their performances. You can see from how they surrounded the stage, watching these people perform, watching them entertain them. It was an amazing day. This is a day for Chief Aloysius Ikegwuonu, the Bishop of Ozubulu himself, and the grand opening of Stonehills Hotel in Ozubulu, Anambra State. It was a great day indeed. So anytime you are in Anambra State and you are looking for a hotel where you are going to lodge, just know that Stonehills Hotel is an amazing option, provided your pocket or your bank account is telling you the truth. You can head to Stonehills Hotel in Ozubulu and they will give you an amazing treat.